2-28. Lila is making a spinner game for her cousins to play. She has divided it into 8 equal sections and has labeled each section with a symbol. When the spinner lands on a flower, her cousins will win a prize. So we're given a spinner with 8 equal sections. This is important information. And when the spinner lands on a flower, the cousins will win a prize. So this is the rewards. So in example A, we have what is P. So P stands for probability, and then the parentheses are saying a star. So that means the probability of landing on a star. Express your answer as a fraction, as a decimal, and as a percent. So just to review probability, so probability of an event, of something that they're asking us, is a fraction, is equal to that fraction, to where in the numerator is a number of being successful, like what are they asking you. So if they're asking us for star, we're going to say, well, how many stars do we really have? So that's a number. So if I count the stars, it's 1, 2, 3, so that will go in the numerator. And then the denominator is number of possibles. So how many possibles do we have? We have 8 possibles. So to do example A, I'm going to say probability of getting a star. So I'm just going to write the star is equal, and then I counted again, 3 stars are could be successful, or like the number of stars, and then total is 8. So this is the fraction. Now we need to change it to a decimal and a percent. To change a fraction to a decimal, we need to do a division. So it's going to be 3 divided by 8. So go ahead and pause the video and write down the decimal. You may use a long division or a calculator, whatever the teacher has told you to do. So the decimal of the fraction 3/8 is 0.375 or 375 thousandths. And now to change it into a percent is we're looking at the hundredths place. So hundredths place ends up here. So it's out of 100. So we're going to have 37.5. So this was 7 was in the hundred place. And then we're going to write the percent symbol. So go ahead and pause the video and try B and C on your own. Okay, I'm going to do letter D. If Lila's cousin spins 100 times, about how many times would you expect them to spin a heart? So we're looking for the probability. So I'm going to say probability of getting a heart. So probability of getting a heart if you spin 1 time. So there's how many hearts? So in this case it's 2 out of 8. 8 is the total. Now 2/8 is the same as what other fraction? So I'm going to reduce it. So I'm going to divide by 2. I know to divide by 2 because both numbers are even. So right now I have 1/4. So 1/4 if I spin it only 1 time. So I need to do it 100 times. So I'm going to go, well, if she's doing it every time is 1/4 times 100. So that will give you the result for if she was spinning it 100 times. So go ahead and do the multiplication on your own. Another way you could think of 1/4 as a decimal is 0.25 or 25 hundredths. And then when you multiply by 100, check if you're going to get the same answer as the top.